Good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Jaydee for another episode of our daily stock market insights. In this video, I am going to cover the most trending stocks we had in the market today. Today is Monday, May 29th. At the same time, I'm going to quickly cover this very helpful table that I found in Investograms. Okay, so if this is a type of video you want to watch every single day, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. Okay, let's start. This is a table that I found in Investograms, and this is from the Lucky Rabbit. So here he outlined, okay, in a table format, six of the REIT companies we have in the country, and then he also cited how to interpret these, when to conclude that it's good or not. All right. So here he included EPS, EPS growth, price to book value, PE ratio, book value, and the rest are just case studies that if you have invested, let's say 100,000, how will it look like per quarter, per year? Okay, and also, yeah, dividend per share. So just want to quickly, for those people who are not very familiar with what EPS is, EPS growth refers to the growth rate of a company's earnings per share over a specific period of time. And this is calculated by dividing a uh, company's net income by the number of outstanding shares of common stock. So what we want to see here is that EPS should end up positive. And on this line item, you have a REIT, FILRT REIT, and DMPR. But we also want, so you already have four, right? 4/6 that show good result. But drill down further, in terms of EPS growth, which one looks okay. So we're down to two here, right? CREIT and DDMPR. Price to book value should say under one. So we have here, you also have three. Okay. So at least you have some guidance on which one would appeal to you the most given these numbers. PE ratio should be below 10. And book value should be um, higher than the current price. So yun, ito, really interesting. Kaso, so you have to also weigh, no? Um, the price right now of DDMPR is 1.28. Yan. So if you are to scroll down, if you have invested 100,000, because this one gives most of these, or if not all, they give out dividend every quarter. So you have cash flow every quarter. Uh, if you have invested 100,000, then you get around, for DDMPR particularly, you get 1,977. In a year, you get 7,906. Okay, so that gives you what? 7,906. I have calculator. 7,906 divided by 1,000, 100,000. So that's a good 7.9% dividend yield each year, assuming that we have the same numbers here, at 0.025, and you get it at 1.28. Okay, so if in case there will be fluctuations, for instance, for DDMPR, and you're able to get it, let's say 1.20, and the number stays the same here, then your yield will become higher. Okay, so I hope you find this helpful. A lot of people also commented here, thanking him of this very simple, straightforward guide, and I really appreciate this effort that you've given us, or you've put into this lucky rabbit. Now, okay, on to our index. So index today recovered. Nice, nice. We have here, looks like this has respected the 6,525 level, no? Um, Foreign buying is already there, so that means I'm looking forward to a continuation by tomorrow and in the coming days. Abangan lang natin around 6,600. Let us see if there will be some, you know, slight rejection that will happen there, because that is normally that can act as a resistance. And yeah, there. So tingnan natin, because today, let's see, Amazon, itong mga stock na to. Wala pa, hindi pa open ang market. 10:46 na, holiday ba? We'll see. So whatever is the performance of the US market will potentially dictate uh, our performance by tomorrow. Ito na. Ito na. Ay, may 22 pa din. Okay. Wait lang. Oo nga, no. May 26. Hindi pa siya pumapasok. But I'm not sure kung holiday nga. Anyway, but we'll see. Our index is positive today, so tingnan natin if there will be a continuation, given that you have a resistance nearby at the MA20 line. Tingnan natin ang trending stocks. AC had long wick today, ano? For those people looking to enter at the MA20 line, I hope you were able to do so. You were given the chance today at ang ganda ng buying volume. Volume nito, so that means investors, at saka titingnan nyo yung cloud, unti-unting umaakit. That means investors already showing interest in this stock. Madami pa kasi yung upside eh. Oh. Look at the upside. So we are just slowly recovering. Actually, ang dami ng opportunity binigay sa atin, right? When it went up here, nag-drop siya. When it created that higher low, that was a good opportunity for all of us, especially for those people who wanted to get in. Ngayon, ayan, may continuation. Pag drop niya ng ito, MA20 line, that was again another opportunity. So this stock is also good for long term. Uh, Consider studying this stock, putting this in your watch list, or kung may pera ka na, you can also start doing test buys or pasok mo na yan. Let's take a look at Ali. Ali still moving below the MA20 line, pero kaabang-abang here is that third time, no? One, two, three, uh, third time na it visited that same price level, pero yung kanyang RSI already moving to the upside. So, bullish buying sentiment na yan. Bullish divergence ang tawag natin dyan. So, in case by tomorrow in the coming days, if you want to wait till it drops again at the 2587, your call, but very, very near na yan sa support area. It's also an engulfing candlestick today, ah. So that means good sign na yan. There might be a continuation. Di ko lang alam bukas, baka hindi na tayo balikan at that 25.87. You can meet halfway if you want. Um, Mond, hindi pa siya ano, no? Wala pang strong buying sentiment. Red siya today. Binalikan to, pero hindi naman siya nag-go beyond that line. We'll see, we'll observe if you want to get in this stock. I suggest hintay muna kayo ng green engulfing candlestick. Kahit mas mataas ng konti, okay lang yan. At least sure kang, paakyat na siya. Yes, I hope that makes sense. Cheap siya ngayon, pero baka lang kung mahulog siya, hindi natin alam. Even though this already has it's starting to form a bullish divergence. Pero mind you guys, sometimes you can see this kind of pattern, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang bagsak. Parang it's already giving you advanced signals, pero hindi pa siya that super final. So I suggest wait for it. Wait for it. Actually, ito interesting to na candlestick ko. Nag-drop siya, ang daming engage, right? Buy, sell. Tapos in the coming days, wala na masyadong nag-exit. So they are already holding on to their positions because probably they see that it's already forming bullish divergence. At the same time, murang-mura na siya. So my assignment for you is, of course, review the fundamentals. Check the financial health of the company, the future plans, kung ano ang balak nito, anong projects nito, because I'm not able to do that in this video. Go ahead and check that out. But overall, if you are to look at it, let's say gusto mo mag-test and enter, um, make sure you set your cut loss levels. Kasi I'm telling you guys, cut loss will only work if you're able to exit it as planned. Okay? Kasi pag hindi mo siya mabantayan at lumaki na siya, and once you exit out of it, it's sure ball loss. Right? The moment you exit it, like kung ma-execute mo siya sa level na gusto mo, let's say 3, 5%, at least tolerable yung amount because you're prepared for it. Pero kung paano kung biglang naging 20, 30% or 50% at alam mo yun, hindi mo ma-exit. So, pag nangyari yan, this might not apply to all, but ako, I'd rather wait na lang na hintayin ko or mag-average down ako. Ngayon, sa averaging down, ano ang conviction ko to do that? Kung half-hearted ako sa company na pinasukan ko. That's why the very, very first step is really understand the fundamentals, yung kanyang financials. So you ask yourself again, mura na to, pero is this a company I want to engage in for long term? Or kahit matagalan man ako makalabas? So those are the questions you ask yourself. Okay, so that's MOND. ICT, magandang recovery with foreign buying. That's a 4% gain for just one day performance. ICT talaga, pag nagda-drop to, hindi siya ganun ka drastic eh. Trajectory niya overall to the upside. Pag mag-drop, ito actually opportunity nyo yan to buy more. So this is what happened. Looks like on a weekly chart tayo. We ended red, but this week it's not yet final because we just started the day and we're on a weekly chart. Every candlestick means 1 week. So kung magtuloy-tuloy ang bullish performance this week, this could mean a bounce at this level and then probably continue to create more actions to the upside. Overall, on a weekly chart, may strong resistance tayo at the 222 level. Okay, so hopefully for those people who are already engaging in this stock at this level are those who are just adding more to their positions. Kasi may malaking opportunity. Actually, back in 2020, nung nag-drop siya, nasok nyo to, tapos dire-diretso na siya from a 66 to a 200 level. Ilang 66 sa 200 o 240% gain. 'Di ba? Grabe. So that's my take. Um, on a daily chart, this is your support 194, tapos exit resistance niya at 222. Yan siya. Tel, nag-green today. Very nice. In fairness, si Tel ay unti-unti nang umaakyat. This is the support. It's like yung last 2 days, Friday, Saturday, a little bit higher. Baka gumagawa na ng higher low. We'll see. Kasi ito yung previous low niya. Nag-drop siya. If this is going to continue the following days to the upside, this could already mean higher low. Wala pa masyadong volume, pero good area na to kasi napakalapit niya sa support that we see at the 1,194, 195 level. This is for me, a strong buy stock. PCOR, oh my goodness. Nilaro kayo ni PCOR ah. Profit take. Profit take. Sana lahat nakapag-profit take, ano? But for those people na gusto pasok, hintayin nyo to. Babalik lang din yan siya. Pero nag-profit take na yung mga nakapagpasok dito eh. Ang laking gain yon. Let's say they entered right here. Kahit dito pa sila nag-enter, 31%. Let's say nakapa-exit kayo somewhere in the middle, that's a 22%. Yeah. So this was triggered by those profitable traders or position traders. Paano to? Half, almost half of the of those who engaged last Friday lumabas, no? So baka may tuloy-tuloy pang pagbibigyan kayo ng chance somewhere here, anywhere from 3.71 to dito, 3 to 4, no? 3.71 to 4. Pero kung gusto niyo safe lang talaga, around the 3.71. Sino nga I want to use that case study again. Hopefully nakapag-exit ka, no? Nakapag-lock in ka ng gain. Remember that question about yung average niya around 7. So, sana nakapag-exit siya partially. Nung nag-drop ito, may buying power na siya ngayon. Magamit niya yung buying power na yon to average down. So, ngayon, hindi na 7 yung average mo if you enter back again at the 3.71 kunwari. Hindi na yun 7 pesos. Mas mababa na. Mas faster kang makapag-exit. Next, JFC. JFC continues to move on the upside, respecting this channel. Pero in an uptrend channel, this has reached a possible resistance. Okay, baka mag-pullback lang siya ng konti. Otherwise, kung bullish talaga siya, ibe-break niya ito at saka may breakout pa lalo. Okay, so for now, temporarily, I'm plotting it as a possible resistance level. Konting fluctuation lang, pero overall, the sentiment here is a buying sentiment pa rin eh. So, tingnan natin kung may konting fluctuation before it breaks out of this. So, if I'm going to plot that. Bakit ko kaya pinlot yan? Kasi dito may consolidation akong nakita. This used to be a support. This used to be resistance. Area yan guys, kaya slightly higher or lower. Pwede pa yan. That's why I plotted a resistance. So kung mag-drop man siya, sundan niyo lang tong line na to. That is the ascending support niya. BPI. BPI is, dito natin lagay si support ha. Although it's green today, pwede kasing may long wicks na mangyayari eh. Ito. So, you were given a chance to enter at 100, tapos siya at 103. Yun ang mga opportunities mo. And this one will be giving away X date. Tapos na pala. Yun. Abangan nyo na lang sa 99. Okay? So, pwede pa yan. Pang long-term investors tong mga levels na to because they have already, moved up. At itong pullback niya are opportunities to enter, buy some more. Yun. So, kung this is the first time you're entering, di pa naman huli ang lahat. I suggest pag long term ka, you just accumulate. Pag nagda-drop siya, buy some more. Sometimes if it goes up and marunong na kayo magbasa ng support resistance, you also have a choice to lock in. Meaning you sell some of your shares para lang makapag-lock in kay gains mo. Para kung bumagsak man siya, correct man siya, may pangbili ka pa ulit. Okay? So, may isa pa ako gustong SCC. Magandang movement ni SCC. Napaka straightforward, very straightforward and easy to analyze na chart at the moment. Tingnan mo to. MA20, na-break niya MA20, nag-cross siya, binalikan, saan? Sa MA20 din. At ngayon, trying to move up again. Nice solid green candlestick the entire day. So chances are may continuation pa yan paakyat. mukhang malapit na, no? Malapit niya nang i-fill itong gap na yan. So again, I keep on mentioning this. Pag may gap, binabalikan yan. Hindi lang natin alam kung kailan, pero looking at this chart, mukhang malapit na malapit na. Okay? So I think yun lang muna for this episode. For those people who are really taking the time to recognize our efforts by dropping a comment, I really, really appreciate that. Hope you can drop a comment, share this so that we can also influence more people to start investing in the stock market. Okay? Paalam. Thank you and good night.